Hi everyone, today we're back for a review of the 2023 AOVO M365 Elite electric scooter. This scooter is an evolution of the popular AOVO M365. The Elite version brings some interesting improvements, including in terms of power, range, and features. It is compatible with the AOVO app. The app allows you to configure scooter settings, display driving information, locate scooter, The AOVO M365 Elite is made of aluminum and ABS plastic. The build quality is very good, with neat finishes. The frame is solid and robust, and the scooter can support a maximum weight of 120 kilograms. I have a promo code for the official AOVO store website. To get the discount, all the information is in the description of this video. The AOVO's LED panel displays the following information: speed, driving mode, battery level, status indicator. The AOVO M365 Elite is equipped with a 350-watt motor, which can reach a top speed of 30 kilometers per hour. The scooter has 3 driving modes. Eco mode, for economical driving at 10 kilometers per hour. Standard mode, for balanced driving at 15 kilometers per hour. Sport mode, for sporty driving at 25 kilometers per hour. It is equipped with a cruise control, which allows you to maintain a constant speed. The cruise control is precise and allows you to ride safely. It is capable of climbing slopes of 15 degrees. The uphill climb is comfortable and fluid. The M365 Elite is IP54 certified, which means it is water resistant to splashing. The scooter can therefore be used in the rain without any problems. It is equipped with a 36-volt, 10.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. This battery provides a range of approximately 25 to 35 kilometers, which is sufficient for most urban journeys. The battery is located under the scooter platform and fully charges in approximately 4 to 6 hours. The AOVO M365 Elite weighs 12.5 kilograms. It is therefore very light to be easily transported in public transportation. The folding system is simple and effective. The scooter folds in a few seconds and can be easily transported or stored in a car trunk. The AOVO M365 Elite is equipped with 8.5-inch tires. The tires are wide and comfortable and offer good traction on the road. The electric scooter is equipped with 2 brakes, which provide good braking power, which allows you to stop safely. The M365 Elite is equipped with a powerful LED headlight, which allows you to be seen by other road users. It is also equipped with a LED taillight. Conclusion: the AOVO M365 Elite is an excellent electric scooter. It is powerful, comfortable, and offers a good range. It is an excellent option for people looking for a reliable, easily transportable, and high-performance electric scooter. It is available in two colors, black or white. The price of the scooter is $262. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to not miss my next reviews. Link to the official AOVO store website and promo code in the description below the video. See you soon.